I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam error, destination folder must be empty. Now, the first thing we need to do is close out of Steam if it's open, including going down to the taskbar and then right-clicking and then exit Steam. Next, open up the search bar and search for Add or Remove Program. From here, scroll all the way down until you find Steam. And then with the three dots on the right, just click it and then click Uninstall. Close out of this, open up the search bar again and search for folder options, and you're looking for File Explorer options. Once here, click the View tab at the top and then select Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives. Make sure that's enabled and then click Apply and OK. Next, what we want to do is open up File Explorer, navigate to the drive that you installed Steam originally, or you're planning on installing Steam. So this will be my C drive. Go to Program Files and then find any potential Steam folder in here. Once you find it, just delete it. If you don't have it here, go back out, go to Program Files 86. And then once you found the Steam folder, right click on it, and then click delete. Once you've done that, open up your preferred browser, search for Steam download, and then download the latest version of Steam from the official website.